students. As you know that I am your maths teacher Ekta Saxena. Today I am going to start a new topic, new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, before telling you few questions related to this chapter, I will tell you the concept of the chapter first. Okay, so I will start from the 17th century. So in the 17th century, or you can say in 1637, a French mathematician named René Descartes introduced us an idea of finding the point in a plane, finding the position of a point in a plane surface. Okay, this idea arises a new branch of mathematics that is known as coordinate geometry. Okay, so what is coordinate geometry? We will see this coordinate geometry in another manner. Coordinate geometry, a branch of, you can say, a branch of mathematics in which geometric problems are solved through algebra by using Cartesian system. Okay, by using Cartesian system. Okay, so what is coordinate geometry? A branch of mathematics in which geometric problems are solved through algebra by using Cartesian system is known as coordinate geometry. Okay, in coordinate geometry we will see about few concepts, few you can say few topics. Okay, first is ordered pair. First thing is ordered. What we will know about it? It's ordered pair. What is ordered pair? Suppose you have two numbers, okay, A and B, and you have written both the numbers inside the bracket in a specific order. Suppose these are the numbers A and B, and I have written both the numbers in a specific order. Specific order means A at the first place and B at the second place. So this is the specific order of the numbers. We cannot write these numbers by changing their position. Like we cannot write B at the first place and A at the second place. Okay, if we will do this, or you can say we will change the position of the numbers inside the bracket, the place of the position of the point will be changed in plane surface. Okay, suppose at this time I am using numbers. So suppose I am taking 2 and -3 inside the bracket. In place of 2 is first place, 2 is at the first place and -3 is at the second place. So we cannot change the position of the numbers inside the bracket, or you can say the numbers we cannot write as like this, -3 at the first position and 2 at the second position. Okay, clear? Now second thing I have to know about the coordinate axis. About the coordinate axis. What are coordinate axis? Okay, see, you all are aware, you all have studied number line in 8th class and 7th class, and I think in 6th class also. Okay, so if you know the number line, it will be very easy to understand the concept of the axis also. Suppose this is a number line. This is an horizontal number line, and I am giving the name of this horizontal number line x, and this is x dash. In between these 2 points there was a point O also. In the number line we say this point 0, okay, and at the right hand side of the 0 and at the left hand side of the 0 we will discuss what type of numbers will come in these positions. At the right hand side of the 0, the positive numbers will come, okay. Positive numbers means +1 at the particular distances, at the definite distances, okay. +1, +2, +3, and this is +4. At the left side of the 0, we will write -1, -2, -3, -4. And you all know that the distance between 2 points will be same at every step, at every place, okay. So this is the horizontal number line, and you can see this is the vertical number line. I am taking this line. No, here I am not taking. I am taking this number line, okay. Vertical number line. This is the vertical number line, and like this horizontal number line, I am giving name to this vertical number line, and that is y o, or you can say 0, and this is y dash, okay. Y o y dash, okay. So you can see upward you will write the positive numbers at the definite distance, +1, +2, +3, +4, and at the definite distance downward you will write -1, -2, -3, -4 like this, okay. So this is the in coordinate geometry you will tell this as the x-axis and this is the y-axis. When we will join, we will combine these both the lines from here, okay, from here like this, okay. So we will call these lines axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Here 0, now 0 we will say it O, okay. O means origin. O means origin. From this point all the points are started, all the distances of the points are counted, okay. So here we will write this is y and this is y dash, this is O. So now upward we will write all the positive numbers like this at the particular distance, +1, +2, +3, +4, and like this, and downward we will write all the negative numbers like this, -1, -2, -3, and this is -4. I have combined these two number lines to each other. X-axis, this is x-axis, and you can see this is y-axis, and these two axes divided this plate surface into 4 parts, okay. Divided these 4 this hold the plane surface into 4 parts. First, this is the first part you will see, okay. You will see this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the 4th part, like this. Anti-clockwise you have to go, okay. Anti-clock, not clockwise, balki you have to go anti-clockwise. So first part, second part, third part, and this is the 4th part. And you all know that when we divide one whole part in 4 parts, so first part of that whole thing we call, that is the quadrant. That is the quarter part, 1/4 part of the whole thing. Like that we will say this is the quadrant, okay. This is the first quadrant, first part, or you will say first quadrant, okay. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, okay, and this is the 4th quadrant, okay. Now what we will know, we will discuss about the convention of signs. This is the convention of signs I have told you earlier, and how we will know about the points, about the signs of this part, signs of this part, signs of this part and signs of this part? How we will know? So I am going to tell you that you can see, you can get the idea from these axes. Okay, this part is in between x dash, O origin and y. Okay, x dash ये कौन सा part है? What is the part of this? x dash, O, y dash, y, sorry. Okay, x dash, sorry, x dash, and this is the x. So you can say this is the x, O, y. So the points on in this part will be positive. So you will write here plus. Points on the x-axis and points on the y-axis both will be positive. Okay. Now we will see here. So you can see here x is x dash and y is y only. Okay. I will take x dash O y. So here x dash points on the O x dash will be negative and points on the O y will be positive. So what will be the signs? Signs will be minus plus. Okay. Now in the third quadrant you will see x dash O y dash. X dash on the O x dash all the points are negative and on the O y dash axis all the points are negative. So you will write here x dash O y dash, and by getting the idea from this you will write both the points both the signs of numbers will be negative. And now in the fourth quadrant you will see that the axis x O y. Okay, x will be positive, the points on the OX will be positive and points on the OY will be negative. So here first positive and then negative. So these are the signs in the quadrant. According to these signs you will place the points in a plane surface. And you will know that which point will come. Suppose both the numbers of the ordered pair are positive, both the numbers of the ordered pair are positive, so that the position of that point will be in the first quadrant. Okay, and suppose both the numbers in the ordered pair are negative, so that point will be in the third quadrant. Okay, so you can get the idea of the position of the point from this Cartesian system. This is the Cartesian system, Cartesian plane you can say. Okay, so this is the conceptual based things I have told you in this video. In my next video I will tell you few questions related to the exercise of this chapter. Okay, till then, bye bye.